iCloud.com. You're going to log in using your Apple ID. And if you get this message, you will need to go to your mobile device and allow web access. Once you've got web access, you should be able to refresh it. And then you're going to go to Contacts. All of your little contacts should be listed here. May take a moment for it to come up. Then I'm going to select all contacts. And then I'm going to choose this Export V card. Once that's downloaded, you can go to your Google Contacts. Getting to Google Contacts, you're in Google, you can either go here and go to Contacts. From here, you can import. You're going to select a file. I'm going to go ahead and get the ones I just uploaded. Choose to open those and import. Add a tag, just import. That'll take a minute. While you're waiting for that, you can go ahead and get logged into your Zing business systems and then get ready to go to your contacts. And then we're going to use the import option. Let's just check on these contacts. Looks like they are all done. Then from here, we can select all, and then we can go to export, and we're going to export it as a Google CSV. Once that's exported, we can go into our contacts and we're going to choose to import. Then you'll go and select, after it does its little pinwheel of patience, you're going to select their name and information. Apple has a ton of extraneous information that passes over to Google. You may have to clear a wait depending on the number of contacts in your list. So we've got name. That's going to be their entire name. And then if you scroll down here, there's going to be some already assigned, like notes. That's the business name or company name. And basically, I'm just going through and looking to see what's listed here. But for the most part, you're going to go with postal code, city. You're going to go address, if it's there or if you want it to be there. Region is going to be the state. And then we need to get phone numbers and emails. Best way to do that is for you to find phone number option, and there's a value and there's a type, and we want the values. We've got phone value 1, phone value 2 will be additional phones, and then if you've got more numbers than that, then you'll have to deal with those on an individual basis. And then we need to do the same thing for emails. So we go to email 1 value. That's going to be your email. Email 2 is additional emails. And those are both for the values, not the types. So, and if you've got any international folks, you can go to address 1 country and choose country. Once you've selected, and the ones that have data and have a area selected, you're going to see information in the center column about what's there. And you want to make sure that the ones that are important to you are mapped to the details here. There's 80 some odd, we've mapped 10, and then we can ignore the rest. Go to next, and then under advanced, we're going to add a preference of phone number, then email. And then you're going to create a tag so that you know what this is. My example would be iPhone contacts and the username. And then you're going to just verify that these folks have consented to hear from you. You've previously contacted them within the last year, and this list is not from a third party. You mark it accordingly, and then you can choose to submit. While it'll process that, you can click there to view the progress, and it'll give you a percentage. You can refresh this and it'll show as that number progresses to where it's complete. It'll show you the stats. It looks like if we want to look at what those error logs were, we can look there. Looks like they had some trouble with phone numbers, but it's coming down to about the right number of imports, about 1,600 unique that meet the criteria, and they are now a part of your contacts. If you made a mistake and don't want that to be a part of it, you can revert it. The contacts won't be a part of your contacts in Zing, in the app for Zing.